Why is not guilty not the same as innocent? Imagine sitting in a courtroom and hearing the words, "not guilty," echo through the room. It might make you think the person is innocent, but that's not always the case. When a defendant is found not guilty, it simply means the prosecution did not prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. The judge or jury decided there wasn't enough evidence to convict. It does not mean they are proven innocent of the crime. In the legal world, guilt and innocence are not the same thing. Guilt is a factual matter, meaning the person actually committed the crime. Innocence means they did not do it. But the court's job is to decide if the evidence shows guilt, not to declare someone innocent. The burden of proof is on the prosecution. They must prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. If they cannot, the defendant is acquitted and the court says, "not guilty." This verdict is about whether the evidence was enough to meet the high standard of proof. It does not declare the person did not commit the crime. It simply says the evidence was not enough to prove guilt. So, after a not guilty verdict, the person is free to go, but it doesn't mean they are proven innocent. They could still be innocent, or they could have committed the crime, but the evidence was not enough to convince the court. This difference is important when thinking about what happens after the trial. An acquittal means the case is closed with no conviction. But it does not clear the person's name in the eyes of everyone. Public opinion might still question their innocence. The legal system focuses on the evidence and the burden of proof, not on proving someone is innocent. In summary, not guilty is a legal decision about whether the prosecution proved its case. Innocent is a factual statement about whether the person committed the crime. The court only says not guilty when the evidence falls short. This keeps the process fair and protects people from wrongful convictions.